Do you know many people are having trouble with inflating their kayak floors? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare surface. Lay your kayak on a clean, flat surface free from sharp objects. Step 2. Find valve. Search for the floor's inflation valve, usually tucked away to minimize damage. Step 3. Attach pump. Use a hand or foot pump, attaching it securely to the valve once located. Step 4. Inflate floor. Inflate the floor until it is firm, but not overinflated, using only cool air. Step 5. Verify inflation. Check all kayak diagrams to ensure all necessary valves are inflated correctly. Now you should have no problem getting your kayak floor properly inflated. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Intex users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.